maybe now since I whitelisted my IP, I can use Nmap again to scan again and find other ports, right? So if we do a cat all port scan Nmap, we found this ports, but now that I'm whitelisted, maybe I find more open ports. So we're just gonna try it. Luckily for us, we can have this one and paste it in here. And we say all port scan after whitelist, and we run it again. More ports means more fun for us because we can act on more. We have FTP, we have this weird one, and we have post. All right, who is running Postgre? I'm hoping it's okay. It's a dedicated account. I was hoping that like the root was running MySQL, so we could like use SQL map to do an SQL injection that would lead to a command injection via SQL injection. Injections happen and stuff. But no, we have to do it the old-fashioned way by finding out what the heck is on this port. Port 125. Okay. Trojans use this port. Fantastic. Could it be that it's Araka is a project started by Matt Sargent? Okay, getting started. Open on GitHub. What the heck is Ka? The Node.js mail server. So it's like PHP send mail, but for a Node and stuff. All right. What else do we have for us? My English is that. Okay, maybe we just look for Araka exploits. A remote command execution. That sounds exactly like what I want. And then this number in here, and we'll paste it in. And, oh, come on, that's the wrong directory. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in this number thing, so that we know what code we're executing without destroying the system. Or let's just not do that because we've wasted enough time. Let's just run it. Okay, no, maybe we have to find out. There is like some kind of, okay, what does it do? Okay, yeah, I mean, suitable name, right? Is there an IP or something like that? Okay, so let's just clear this out and then run this one. Yeah, error one. Oh, come on. So it has to be Python 2.7, right? Okay, and then let's just run the help command. Help usage, the tool, then a command to Mailserver. Okay, command to run victim email. I mean, oh, last time we found like an email of Penelope, right? Maybe we can use that one. So we are gonna run it like this. What type of commands do we have? ls, maybe. Let's do an ls or an id. That's like an easy one. It should work on all systems. What's the mail of oh no, I don't. Maybe if I Control-Shift-T. Yes, okay, so we're sending it to this one. And check, boom. And then we have the mail server, which is redcross.http, and then we just try this port. I'm not even sure if this is how you or the port. Look for IP. I mean, mail server, maybe? Mail to send. Mail. In here, we have 1025. All right, okay, so maybe that station. Okay, it's doing more than it did before, and now we have to wait again. I mean, do we even get something? I mean, does it show the output of the command in here? Is this the output? I'm pretty sure it's not, because this is like this harakiri zip thing. So maybe we just do a simple ping back to our machine, right? So instead of having the command BID, we check what our IP is, and then in here, we listen to, do we have to? Yes, okay. We only listen on the ton0 interface, and we only want ICMP. Okay, and now on this part of the equation, we take this and then just the IP, and then we run this. And now if we get anything on this side, we know that our exploit is working. And if we get nothing, we know that our exploit is not working. So we're still getting nothing over here. I did use the correct IP, right? So this would be the IP. And I did say ping this one 2 times, which I guess this is the right syntax, right? I mean, it doesn't make sense, but maybe let's just pick the IP instead of the name. It shouldn't work. It should work either way. Right? That's why we have a host file. I mean, to be honest, now that the server is up again and our IP is whitelisted, we can try. This is the wrong one. We can try it again with this one. Boom. Okay, we're getting some pings. Was it this before or after? I'm unsure now. But it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like it's working, right? So let's do it again. Come on. Did it work before I whitelisted our IP? Doesn't it work anymore? Is the site down again? Okay, no, the site is still up. I don't know why I don't get... Let's close this. Let's start this again. Let's go in here. And now I should be able to do red cross HTTP, right? And sometimes this year I should get an ICMP packet. Okay, that's taking forever. It just takes forever, but it worked out. I get an error here, but Harakiri success. Okay, fantastic. Now we go back to our old game, which is this one. We run this over here. So we are now listening. And in here, we just changed the command to be refshells.com to be this Python one, because that's the one that worked before. So I hope it's the one that works now. I think it was this one. Let's copy this. Let's go in here. And now open this up. And oh no, it has too many quotes. You know what? Maybe now the problem, since now the problem seems to be the quotes, we just take this one, because why not? We don't have to worry about ampersands anymore, I think. We just run this one and then we wait until we get a shell. And we're waiting. I mean, we saw before that it takes forever. So, dear chat, what is your snack of choice while we're waiting for this thing to happen? Let me know. It just takes forever. I think it's like an interval of 5 minutes that Penelope is acting on and clicking on our suspicious looking link. Let's check out if the server is still up. Sometimes this server kind of likes to crash. I really hope we can get access as Penelope, because that means that we can then read the user flag and submit the user flag. So next time we can focus on getting the root flag. But for now, we just wait. We have a shell as Penelope Cruz on Red Cross. Funnily enough, Cruz, is that not the Spanish word for cross? And where are we now? Okay, so let's cd into our home. Okay, let's go into home. Unless we have Penelo user txt. Fantastic. Boom, boom, zack, zack. And now we can submit the user flag and check if it's correct. And fantastic. The user flag has been submitted. Now it's time to get the root flag.